Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and this in my hands is the Orion 8x40 Camo binocular. We call it Camo, obviously, because it's got this camo pattern wrap on the outside. So if you're out in the field and you want to blend in and not really draw attention to yourself, this blends into kind of a green foresty scene behind you. It's an 8x40 binocular, meaning 40 millimeter objective underneath the cap here, 40 millimeter. 8 magnification. It's got a very wide field of view, 8.2 degree field. So that's the slice of the pie that you see out there. A nice wide field for an 8 magnification. It's fully multi-coated, so all of the glass surfaces are coated multiple times. It weighs 1.7 pounds, so nice and lightweight. The cap is this rain shield that actually will attach to the strap that comes with it, so you're not going to lose it. And if you saw before when I opened up the objective lens, the objective caps are also captive, so you won't lose them either. There's a tripod socket here, and what else can I tell you? There's a rotatable eye guard, so if you're wearing glasses, you leave it down like this, and if you don't wear glasses, you rotate it up, and your eye is in the correct position for viewing. All right, so there you go. This is the Orion 8x40 Camo binocular. Thank you very much. Clear skies.